You gotta get into the groove.
Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from Groove Funnels Asia. If it's your first time with me, then welcome, and for everybody else, welcome back. Okay, in today's session, I want to run over a few things that I think are vitally important when it comes to Groove Asia. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at here is tracking and CRM stuff. So let's get into it and have a look at that to begin with. Okay, so when you first come into your Groove account, most of you probably have got a Groove Funnels account already and not a Groove Asia account, all right? So in your Groove Funnels account, if you come into the Groove Affiliate Program link, that will take you to the affiliate page. And I want to show you something that's really, really important about tracking and CRM properties when it comes to promoting Groove Asia from your Groove account. So once you're in here, if you scroll down the page and you come down to this section here, which is for the affiliate program, you can see you can get your links here for Groove Funnels, but you'll also see that you can get your links for Groove Asia. So if I go to Groove Asia, I now can get my links for Groove Asia, and you can see it's Groove Asia. It's a different promo video. But what's really important here is that the sales and stats that are available on your Groove account will only show the sales and stats for Groove sales and not Groove Asia sales. So let me show you what I mean. So if I go into sales and stats here, when you get into this section, the first thing you want to do is come over to reporting over here on the left, as most of you would know. And in the reporting section, what happens is when somebody signs up through your affiliate link for Groove, you get all this information. Now, I've covered all of this up. Just so you can get an idea of what's in here though. You normally get your customer name, the product that they bought, what price point, so on and so forth, the date and time, but most importantly, you get an email address and some other contact details, as you can see. Okay, now that's really, really helpful when it comes to the CRM stuff, because you want to be able to follow up with these people. But here's the problem. If you're actually promoting Groove Asia, so Groove Asia with the affiliate link through here, then you are not going to see any details of anybody that upgrades in Groove. You won't see any of their customer names or details or anything like that. So how do you resolve that problem? Well, first of all, go and get a Groove Asia account. That way, when you log into your Groove Asia account and you go to the transaction section here, so reporting and transaction in your Groove Asia account, you will get all of those details. Couple of caveats here though. In Groove, if you're upgraded as a Groove member, when you use your Groove Asia affiliate link here, if you're upgraded in Groove already, you will end up with your 40% commission, as you know. If you're not an upgraded member, you're only going to get 20% commission. Now, the same goes with Groove Funnels Asia. If you come over to Groove Funnels Asia and you start using the affiliate tools available in the account, which is exactly the same, right? You would go inside your Groove Asia account. You literally, when you first come into your Groove Asia account, it'll look exactly the same, right, as your Groove Funnels account. You would go to the Groove Affiliate Program, and once you're in the program and it loads all of the details, what you want to do is scroll down and head to the section down here for the promotion tools. Groove Asia will be the number one, and then when you click on the check sales and stats button down here, you will see all of those details in here about your customers. But again, if you haven't upgraded in Groove Asia, then you're only going to be getting 20% commissions. But it's really important that you get these details, right? So this is why you need a Groove Asia account and why you want to promote using the Groove Asia affiliate links inside of your Groove Asia account and not use the affiliate links from inside your Groove Digital account. You can use the affiliate links inside the Groove Digital account, as I've just shown you, okay, by going into groove.cm here and using them. But again, you're not going to get all the details to follow up on any of those people that sign up for a free account. So that's the major difference there. Okay, so let's look at the second thing I wanted to show you today, and that is commissions, which I've just spoken about. All right, again, it's really important that you understand the difference between the two accounts. Right now, whether you're upgraded or not makes a difference. If you're not upgraded, you only get 20% commissions. If you are upgraded, you get 40% commissions. So that's another reason to upgrade in your Groove Asia account. Two reasons now. One, for tracking and CRM purposes, to get their name and email and be able to follow up. And the second is to increase those commissions from 20% to 40%. All right, let's move on again. OTO pages. So people are asking me, what does the OTO page look like? What's involved? What does it talk about on the one-time offer, as they call them, the OTO pages? Well, let's go and have a look inside of Groove Funnels Asia and see what happens after you initially sign up. All right, so first of all, here's a disclaimer right off the bat. I'm not suggesting that you have to upgrade, okay? It's recommended, and there are multiple reasons, again, the CRM, the tracking, the extra commissions. So this is what the page looks like once you've created your account. You'll be taken to step 2, which is customize your access. Now, as you go through this information, there is a video right here on the page that I recommend that you watch. This is a screenshot of the actual page, so it may look a little bit different to you, but definitely watch this video. It's a video from Mike Filsame. Also, obviously, the countdown timer will be different for you. I upgraded. I'd highly recommend you do. Click on the upgrade and have a look at the options. Now, there's all the other information on this page. I'd highly recommend that you read it all before you skip over it and say no. As you can see, very shortly, we're going to be going to $2.99 a month, right? Which is $3,500 a year for Groove. Do you really want to be paying that? I don't think so. And if you're in business and you know you're going to be in business long term, invest in yourself, right? This is a capital expenditure for your business. This is not an expense, right? This is your business. If you're going to build it, then do it right and get the tools that you need. All right, there's two other options here. There's the pay later. So upgrade, and you can pay later with 5 easy installments, okay? Or you can pay $1,397 right now on this page and you're done and dusted. Either one is your option. So pay more later or bill me now. Now, if you're in the US, you got the bill me later option, 6 months with no payments. That's an option as well, depending on where you are in the world. But look, go through, read all of the information on this page. I highly recommend you read it all. Look, I'm showing you most of it, and you could probably just have a pause on the video if you need to have a quick squiz over it. But look, we're not hiding anything here. This is the reality of what it is, all right? So that's it. grooveasia.cm, that's the upgrade page. All right, so what happens after that? If you just want to go to the free account, then you can click on the link at the bottom. No worries, you'll definitely pay more later, and you'll probably kick yourself in the bum for not doing so. But anyway, let's have a look what happens whether you upgrade or whether you click this button at the bottom here. Okay, so whether you upgraded or you click the no thanks button, you'll end up on the congratulations page. There's a video here. Again, I'd highly recommend you watch that. And then here's all the information you're going to get. Now, this is what you get inside your free account, okay? If you did not upgrade, this is what you'll get inside your free account. If you upgraded, you get all of this plus all of the packages that are coming in the future. So the evergreen webinars and the blogging system, all of that sort of is available in there. I think you get the blogging system in here anyway, but that's okay, all right? But you can have a look when you get into your account of what you've got, but these are the basics. This is definitely what you will get either way. All right, then there's a couple of things you need to look at here. These are really important. and we want you to follow through on every step, okay? First is join the Facebook page. This is a link to the official Groove Asia Facebook page. I'd highly recommend you get onto that. You can subscribe to free training down here. There is your login here to the Groove account, so you might want to click on that, open up Groove and save it, and then look, here's all of the other accounts we highly recommend that you get onto straight away, okay? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. These ones here are the official grooveasia.cm social media accounts. If you want to be kept up to date on what's going on, you need to be on these channels, all right? And then finally at the bottom is get support. So that's walked you through the OTOs and what happens after you upgrade, or whether you choose to upgrade or not, and the thank you page that you will be sent to, and all the information you need to know about your account. In either way, watch these videos when you come in so you know what's going on. So we've looked at the OTO pages. I've mentioned the videos in both cases that you should be watching. And I've shown you about the social media and why you should be connecting to those pages. All right, and one last thing. If you do upgrade through Groove Funnels Asia, then I would also like you to invest your time in these 3 links up here. So once you've created your account, come back to Groove Funnels Asia and get on these social media sites. These are my personal social media sites, and I'll be doing training videos and putting up information in the Facebook group and the Instagram page as well. So there's the official Groove Asia social media sites, and then there's my personal ones here. And if you're involved with me in anything else, you'll know what the value is on getting onto my social media channels, because I do updates like this video on quite a regular basis. All right, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
You gotta get into the groove.